Please help me how to fix this bug in Temple Run 2. See? Please help me how to fix it. I need your help, please. I will show you my tablet's version. My tablet's model number is MediaPad 7 Lite. Android version 4.0.3. Kernel 3.08 plus. And that's it. This is a Huawei, that's right. Huawei MediaPad 7 Lite. Thanks.